Activated economics is a major innovation that makes it easy to perform relative capital and operating cost evaluations during the early design stage of a project. For the first time, modelers can instantly and constantly see the economic effects of making changes to the process. Activated economics enables process engineers to rapidly assess a proposed process design, thus allowing quick screening of alternatives based on a balance of technical and economic factors. You will notice the new activation panel appears at the top of the screen. To get started, click on the Economic Analysis tile in the dashboard. This will activate economic analysis. Activated economics automatically calculates the capital and utility costs of a process. Mouse over the capital cost and a tooltip appears displaying the total equipment cost and the total installed cost. Clicking the launcher icon in the bottom right-hand corner of the utility costs opens the detailed process utility summary grid. Clicking the Capital Cost Summary tab displays an itemized list of individual equipment. The economic ribbon has been redesigned to facilitate integrated economic workflow. The ribbon allows users to specify more details about the process, equipment, and the materials of construction to get a more accurate result. The ribbon has been arranged into several sections. The first column aids in the economic evaluation setup process. The economic solver can be put in manual or automatic mode or turned off in the second column. The next column displays the status of the economic evaluation calculation. There are icons to display the steps that are completed, the steps that are not completed, or the steps that have failed. The rest of the ribbon is used to perform the integrated economic steps of mapping and sizing equipment, reviewing and changing data, evaluating costs, and reviewing the results. Activated and integrated economic analysis allows process engineers to evaluate more scenarios in a shorter period of time and thus select a more optimal solution. The preliminary cost estimates can be handed over to the estimators for further evaluating using Capital Cost Estimator. This promotes better collaboration and efficiency between and within each department.